Hey guys, it's Sophie. This is a little, I want to say, life admin. In this video you will see my then boyfriend Lewis, and we are no longer together. This video was filmed back in October while I was at Comic-Con, and now it is nearly December and we are no longer together. So please just be respectful in comments or anything like that. You will see me be very lovely and in love with him in this video, because at that time we were still absolutely in love, and yeah, so it's just a bit of life admin, so then when I do next upload other videos and I say my ex, you now know that me and Lewis are over, and I'm not okay, but I'm getting there. Love you guys. Let's get on with this video before I ramble any longer. Right, so I didn't film much today because I've been busy Rapunzeling, hence the pink about my Harley Quinn. Here Chaz.
Hello.
Who was doing, I'm going to move closer.
So tired.
Yeah, my head now hurts.
Yeah.
I'm in nut tomorrow. But we found Krispie Kreme.
End of the day on the Saturday, and I'm currently blackened from my poor quality morph suit.
Yeah, he needs a shower.
Oh yeah.
But we
Dirty
found
boy.
donuts.
But we found donuts, Halloween variety.
So there's we got there's two Vimtos, but one's a ring donut and one's shimmer.
So
which most of the shimmers come off.
So this this green one here, this on the far side, monster version. Frankenstein, is it?
Yeah, Frankenstein.
Yeah. Is apple icing. This one, the Vimto shimmer.
But most of the shimmers come off of it.
Oh yeah.
On the lip. So I'd like to wipe that and see.
And chocolate orange pumpkin.
Which is really, really cute.
Can't remember the fancy name for it, but let's fucking try it.
I think.
Jack-o'-lantern.
Which one do you want to try first? Do you want me to do the shimmer and you the pumpkin, because that's the one you wanted?
Oh, let's do the pumpkin. Should we do like half of each one then?
Yeah.
Let me grab a knife.
Yeah, grab a knife, because we don't. Should we get like a plate for it as well?
Good idea. Are you vlogging donuts?
Yeah. On my YouTube. Halloween donuts.
Really want to try one that is on board.
Come and join in the vlog.
I'll happily join in the vlog.
Come join in Pandemonium. We've got someone else now to try these donuts.
What are you doing, guys?
Introduce yourself to the world of Pandemonium.
Hi, I'm Tommy, head of Seymour Films and Seymour Entertainment. Make sure to come check us out. And yeah, time to try some donuts, Halloween edition.
You YouTube whore.
So Chaz is
Which one
cutting
of
the
us?
donuts.
Alright, let's try this.
This one's
the
for the inside
chocolate
of it as
orange
well.
one, my
do a close up on the
favourite.
middle, on
Oh
the
yeah.
inside as well. So it's got chocolate on the inside and it's orange.
Chocolate orange, one of my faves, so this will be nice. Mmm.
Good?
Can't remember what.
I'm gonna hit this other half.
Hang on.
Jazz, review.
Did you just take all the film? No, he
I
like
feel
just.
like I need to like hold this even further. Like.
One sec. Do you want the longest arm?
No, longest
Who's got the longest arm? There we go.
because I'm not there.
I'm only short.
You can
Go
really
on, Soph.
taste. Oh, it's like melted Terry's chocolate orange. in
It
the
smells
centre.
like it. I will say that.
I mean, they were probably uncreative enough to just buy Terry's chocolate orange and melt it down, but.
That's really actually kind of good.
Right, my turn.
Fruit.
Oh.
Hello!
Yay!
Hey!
We interrupt this vlog for me to go and run to my boyfriend.
Oh.
By the way, Ches, keys are there. All the new working
Brilliant.
keys. I think
We-
we should get all of our keys that we currently have and put them somewhere else.
Yeah.
Oh, look at the adorable couple. Good.
I told no one I was a good Chaz for that surprise.
Wait, I swear
So, what one are you cutting up now, Chaz, while we're waiting?
What?
What one are you cutting up now while we're waiting?
The apple icing Frankenstein theme one. Like straight down the middle, right between the eyes.
That actually looks really nice.
Let's try the eyeball just to.
We're just waiting.
Hello, son. Hello, son.
Sorry, I got distracted by my very, very, very
might
nice
do.
boyfriend.
Alright.
Babe, do you want to join the donut tasting?
Apple,
Krispie Kreme.
apple icing.
Right.
Oh, on the Frankenstein one.
You try this time. You try.
And then I'll try the next one first.
You're right. Because what is it? It's the proper American one, right?
No, it's not.
Oh, okay. Because
Me and my friend.
It's a good way to
I've been watching the Combat Divas.
stuff our face and be
Any
creative
good?
about it. We're artists. In the meantime, in my head, it's just like.
I want it kind of
I'll
subtle,
give it this though.
Yeah.
They are making something
but
absolutely
you can
amazing.
still like really
Which is
rather
they're
taste
actually
it.
building the.
But it's really nice actually. Do you want to try that little bit? Oh, do you want to You've got a bit of an eye.
Yeah, I'll go for the eye. Chaz, good?
They got the whole engine redone.
It is. I can see what you mean. Like subtle.
Yeah. Okay, let's go for it.
That was just for
Okay. It's sort of like not apple pie, but something along those lines. But it's so subtle that it's not overpowering.
It also almost like applesauce.
Yeah.
Like applesauce, I think that's more.
But sweet in a really nice way.
Yeah,
and
it's,
that
like, it's got like a
after-
slight little bit of tartness to it.
But it's that aftertaste that's quite nice.
I
It
think
just
the bits
sits
on
there.
top, like I think it's like chocolate or something, adds to it.
Now,
I want to be like the most shimmer.
I was like,
So what is this
That
one?
will be.
This is Vimto Shimmer. There's also Vimto Ring, which is like a matte
Yeah.
version.
That's the most.
Right. So
flipping thing.
shall I start with this one?
Hang on, let me just show you like the inside of that. Like,
Look at
It's so
that.
sparkly and gay.
oh babe, you like Lewis? You like Vimto, right? Do you try this Vimto Shimmer donut? Halloween
Vimto
donut.
Shimmer.
Do you want to try one? It's Vimto.
Right, I'll go first.
Right,
this
go
time.
first. I'll go last on this one.
Oh,
Yeah.
don't get me wrong. It's sort of weird because you think Vimto's not going to work with a donut.
Yeah.
But the minute you take the bite, it's sort of like, do you know the Vimto chewy bars?
Yeah.
It's like that, mixed with dough.
Nice. Okay, Chaz, your turn. I'm just like sniffing mine.
Do you get what I mean? It's like the initial moment it's in your mouth, you're like, it's not going to work. And then all of a sudden you're like, wait, never mind.
Oh no, it's gone. I better have another.
Right. I keep sniffing it because it's so good.
It is.
it's funny. I'm raving. So many people go, why? You should be good.
the most guy.
Okay, we need to buy it 10 more of these.
Test pilot ever. And literally, he said.
Let's get some diabetes.
I went like all in then with it as well. I didn't like bite it.
Okay, so you tried all three.
What ones are your favourites? Chaz, what's your
I have
favourite?
to say the chocolate
These are
orange one.
worst.
Oh, best of worst.
Chocolate orange first. The Vimto one second,
Yeah.
and the apple one third.
You know
I
what?
dislike any of them. Just like the apple one was like the least powerful flavour, I'd say.
Yeah, what about you?
I think I'd go with the same list as Chaz. I think it's chocolate orange at the top because it's the right balance. It's not, it doesn't hit you in the face, but it does. It's weird. It's in a good way. Then it's the Vimto because you're like, flavours
Yeah.
that shouldn't work
But do.
really do. And then I think the subtleness of the apple is sort of what,
Yeah.
don't get me wrong, it's not bad, but it's what takes it away
Yeah.
from, but,
See, I'm gonna have to disagree a little bit. I'm gonna say Vimto's my favourite.
okay.
I knew that was probably going to be anyway. I want to try the Vimto ring, which is like similar to this, but it's less shimmer. It's more matte. I don't know if it's got a filling in it or anything, so I'm gonna try that. Then I think probably the chocolate orange one next, and then the apple one. Even though it's nice, it's not overwhelming.
Yeah.
Like they could have done a bit more.
And it's nice to wash it down with some Irish cream.
Only drink if you're over 18
Yeah.
or 21 in America.
And do the flavours work together? That's the question.
I'm just gonna eat another bit of the shimmer
I
one.
mean, it's alcohol. At the end of the day, that's all that's
I'm
important.
gonna
kids.
nick the apple.
Go and have the last one.
I'm gonna get Lewis to eat it.
Lewis, come on, you gotta have the last bit of the Vimto.
Go on.
Go on. You have.
Please, babe. Me?
No.
Wait, use the puppy. Yeah, there we go.
Miserable Lewis.
Cool. He's here to ruin everyone's time.
You're gonna get. Go on.
You like Vimto though. He literally loves Vimto. He likes Vimto. Because if you say the very first like smoothie from McDonald's,
yeah, yeah.
tastes exactly like a Vimto.
It does. I agree.
Which is Lewis's favourite thing.
What is my favourite?
The very first thing from McDonald's that you say is like Vimto. It's literally this. Come on, please.
Shove it down his throat.
Do it.
Eat it. Eat it.
You eat it. If it's that good, you eat it.
Yes,
Well,
please.
go on then. I didn't see it. Can eat all of it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can eat all of it.
Stuff it down your face.
Stuff it down my face. Yeah.
God, mate, I always say you want something in your mouth.
You even saliva on that, don't you? OCD-ness. Anxiety, bro. Anxiety.
And on that note, we shall be bidding this goodbye. Thanks for joining in this little bit of the vlog. I don't know if I'm going to put it in the vlog or do it as a different video, but thanks for joining Pan Video, and I'll see you on the next video.